Do you know the rules of the road? Making mistakes while driving can be dangerous, even fatal. That's why it's essential to follow the road rules and drive safely. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Join me as we focus on safe driving without worrying about fines. Today, we will practice a task related to crossing an intersection. This task is simple yet interesting and will be useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. Let's look at the task. We need to determine which vehicle should pass through the intersection first. Here are the options: the blue car, the yellow car, the truck. As agreed, pause the video and take a moment to think about your answer. Write it in the comments. At the end of the video, I'll reveal the correct answer so you can see if you were right. I hope you have your answer ready because we are moving on to the solution. In the image, we have three vehicles approaching a four-way intersection. The truck is turning left, the yellow car is going straight, and the blue car is also going straight. The task is to figure out which vehicle should go first. First, we need to identify the type of intersection. There are two types, controlled and uncontrolled. A controlled intersection has traffic lights or signs, but this one is uncontrolled because there are no lights or signs. In an uncontrolled intersection, when multiple vehicles arrive at the same time, the vehicle on the left yields to the vehicle on the right. But in this case, all vehicles must yield to the one on their right. That means each driver must pay attention to the vehicle to their right and wait for their turn to go. This brings us to an important point: communication. Since there's no default priority in uncontrolled intersections, drivers must agree on who goes first. This can be done through gestures or eye contact, ensuring that everyone understands the order of crossing. There are two methods to solve the task: slow but safe. Let the truck go first, then the other vehicles follow in order. This is a safe approach. Fast but safe. The yellow car goes first, followed by the blue car, then the truck. Both methods are safe as long as drivers communicate and follow the rules. The main priority is safety, not speed. The correct answer is option 4. As agreed, meaning the drivers must decide who goes first by communicating. If you got the answer right, great job. Remember, safe driving is key to avoiding accidents and fines. Subscribe for more driving lessons and stay safe on the road.